Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials. Find your device IP and your router gateway. Open a browser, type the gateway address, and sign into the router. Once logged in, locate connected devices and set a static IP or DHCP reservation for the machine you will forward to. Make sure to write down the port number and protocol you need. This step prevents address changes. Otherwise, forwarded ports break when DHCP reassigns addresses. Once done with addressing, find the router's NAT, virtual server, or port forwarding page. Select a new rule and pick the protocol, TCP, UDP, or both, because the application dictates it. Enter the external port and map it to the internal port on your static IP. Add a descriptive name so you remember why it exists. Apply the rule, then save or reboot if required. Make sure to check any built-in firewall toggles that may block newly created rules. You finish by testing the forwarded port from outside your network. Use a remote port checker or the service itself. If it fails, first verify the internal IP and port mapping, then inspect the device's OS firewall and the router firewall rules. Restart both the router and target device after changes. Sometimes settings apply only after reboot. If you still can't connect, briefly enable DMZ for that IP to isolate the issue. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.